Thank you for joining me here today as I repair a PVC pipe that has a hole in it. Always remember, turn the water off first. Here you see me using a Home Depot PVC pipe cutter. I cut it off below where the hole is basically where the tape was at. Cut it down a little lower. I thought it was kind of too high. Okay, and this is the elbow 3/4. And here I am showing you some P4 PVC cement by Harvey's. Got that from Marvin's Building Supply in Millbrook, Alabama. Now I'm opening up the cement, going to generously put it on the inside of the elbow, then around the edge of the part that I cut, the PVC pipe that I cut, and then I put the elbow on, kind of twist it all the way down, get it pointed in the direction I want it to point. In a matter of a few seconds, it's good to go. It's glued, cemented. Now I am showing you some Teflon tape. This is what you use to go around the thread of the bib. What you see me now is with a hose bib, 125 psi, 3/4 inch. Putting about, I guess, 8, 9 to 10 laps around the thread of the bib. Oops, I dropped it. I just broke off what I thought I needed, leaving, you know, what I feel is needed to do a good seal. As I continue to wrap it around, and on that last pull, I kind of stretch it a little bit to make sure it stays. Right about there is where it gets tight, so I gave it one more full turn. Didn't have to use a wrench or anything. This is PVC pipe and the bib is metal, so that's a good fit, won't leak. Putting my Teflon tape back up. Adjusting the camera a little bit. Sorry about it being too high from the beginning. And since I seen somebody had a piece of wire holding it up against the trailer, I decided to get some hose straps, 3/4 from Marvin's Building Supply, along with some screws, self-tapping screws. Self-tapping has like a little tip on it that'll drill through metal and plastic and things of that nature. I get it on there, and with my rigid impact driver, I go on and just screw the screws in. Nice and sturdy. Although I wish I had something a little bit more sturdier, but that's good enough for right now. And I plan on going back and see what else we can do. I might make it a little shorter, but right now I was fixing this leak that's been leaking for a while. Now I'm going to turn the water on. And now, no leak at the pipe or where I fixed it at. Now I turn the water on with the new bib. Water coming out fine. Shut it off. No more drip. One last drip, and there it is. Got one little more drip coming there, but that's just what's left up in there. So that's it. Ha ha ha. Hope you enjoyed this. Be blessed.